Hi and welcome to the next video in this section of the course, part 8, putting it all together. Okay, this time we're going to make another bass type sound, but it's going to be a bit more different, a bit more kind of drum and bassy, breaky type stuff. Okay, for this sound we're going to need an oscillator, a filter, we're going to need a delay, we're going to need some modulation effects, and a reverb. So I'll just turn all those off for now. Okay, so first things to do, make sure the oscillator is on restart. Also, we need envelope 1 as an amplitude envelope, so we set that up straight away. So full decay, bit release. Little bit of attack, that should do it. Okay, now check for volumes. Bring the volume down on this a bit. Turn it up down here. And let's turn the output up a bit, the main output. Bring the master down a bit. Okay, that should do. We want it to be in re-trigger mode. And we'll put a bit of glide in there as well. We'll leave smooth attacks and voice drift on, so that sounds okay for the moment. Right, let's go to the oscillator now. Okay, take off the width, and we'll detune it by 2 octaves, 24 semitones. And we'll just put the modulation wheel in here as a modulation source. If you want to use it, you can modulate the volume. Okay, we'll put the phase up a bit. That should do, and we'll use the expander effect. Nice and gritty now. Okay, let's get the filter into play. Now the filter is really going to change the sound a lot. We start getting the kind of bassy sound we're looking for. So we want to bring the cutoff down. Maybe a little bit more. Bring the resonance up a bit. Bring up the key follow. Okay, we're going to put LFO1 in here, which will be manipulated later on. And we want to control cutoff with envelope 2. So bring up envelope 2. Again, just zero everything. But this time, bring the attack up. Just put that to 58. I like my whole numbers. Oh. And bring the decay up to 80, I guess. Oh. A little bit of sustain. And a whole host of release. Okay, and then bring envelope 2 up to start controlling the VCF. I'm going to 50. Okay, as you can hear, starting to get that roar. Bring the drive up 100. Okay, that's sounding not too bad. Let's change the LFO to 1/8. We're not going to hear that yet because we haven't controlled it yet. Okay, sounding good. Okay, down to the matrix where we're going to add the additional controls for LFO1 here. And now LFO1 is controlling the filter, so we're going to go here, go filter, mod depth 1, because that's what this knob's called if you look up here. And we're going to control that with envelope 2. So listen. Just to give it that. And that's enough. We don't need any more than that. And we'll put the modulation wheel in here and we'll get that to control the filter's resonance. If you want to. It gives you the opportunity if it's there. So. Okay, I need to, that doesn't sound quite right. Let's have a look at the LFO here. Let's change the rate a little bit. That's better, speed it up a little bit. Just put that up to 110. That's better. And we'll bring the phase up as well. And we'll stick this to gate. And the delay can come up a bit. Which means if we bring the amp down a little bit, the delay, that's better. Excellent. Right, let's go on to these effects. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the delay on the second bus and the other effects on this bus. What we're going to do is sidechain the delay into the mod effects. So without the mod effects being on, you won't actually hear the delay. We'll need to turn the return up to about there, I guess, and the send all the way up. And right click on the mod effects, and it's on channel 2, so input 2. There we go. Then we're coming in. Create some delay, so put the mix right up. And we'll use W2 plus 2. And we'll change this one to 1/8. 1/16. Only two bottom ones, 1/8. Okay, we'll need to change that a little bit. Change the ratios, so put it to 66. Put this to 140. Adjust the cross back and the feedback. Maybe drop the feedback a wee bit. Bring the feedback up a bit. Maybe a little bit lower. Put it to 23.5. Okay, that sounds better. Let's get rid of some of that. Rid of some of the highs. Okay, it's sounding not too bad. And last but not least, oh no, we'll need to sort out the mod effects first. We'll put it onto, see what porous sounds like. That's better. Wondered why it wasn't doing anything. You can hear it now. Okay, phasing. Turn the EQ off. And That sounds sweet. And last but not least, we'll pop the reverb on. Let's get rid of the... Yeah, that sounds mad. Oh, better faster. Modulation a bit. Again, this is all done to taste, all this stuff. And of course, you know what all these parameters do for the previous videos. We'll call that finished. So that's a nice kind of, it's a different wobbly bass that you could maybe use for breaks or something like that. Now I'm going to see if I can get it into my track. Now my track's been pretty psytrancey up to now, so this will be interesting. Okay, I done it. I just added some different types of drums and then the bass really. So here it is. So that's it. That's me just added the bass. I hope you learned loads from this and I hope you enjoyed it. I shall see you in the next one.